I'm making this simple but classic cool bag out of suede leather with suede lining. It's gonna be like two bags put together. On left I got the pieces for the outer bag, on right the inner bag, which is the lining. Let's start with the inside. Only in one of the pieces named B, you should punch the holes in the middle. That's where the pocket goes. Let's handle the pocket before everything else. I'm using saddle stitch all throughout this project. And I'm making a small version of the bag, but the pattern is actually like a handbag, almost fits on your shoulder. I did not have enough leather with me, so that's why I'm doing this. The pocket is set in place. Now it's time to put together the bag. Pieces A, B line up like this. I'm gonna sew them together next to each other, and then I'm gonna close the loop by connecting the last edge to the first one. If I'm looking on the inside of the bag, I'll only see A's edges, so A's come on top. But right before connecting the loop, you can ease the stitches by hitting them with something, so they look more precise. Now we are gonna connect the loop. I'm not showing much stitching because it's simple, but it looks like this right before I connect the bottom of the bag. And to connect the bottom of the bag, you don't put them side by side, but you put one of the edges on top of the another and then sew. This is gonna be a little harder to sew, but you got this. If you're stitching on the actual size, that was a lot of stitching. Congrats. So now, in order to close those corners, I'm gonna turn the bag inside out so the stitches are hidden. So now that we have the corners at our hand, let's just squeeze the edges together and align the holes and start from the first and sew as usual. This is an easy stitch. Outer bag is the exact same process but without the pocket. So I start connecting the edges one by one and then connect the loop, put it all together. Now there may be some details about how to start sewing these two bags together. So I start by connecting the inside one. I'm gonna sew it this diagonal short edge, and then when the edge comes to end, I'm gonna start connecting the outer bag. You will see what I'm doing. Right, here is the first connection of the inner bag and the outer bag. From now on, I'm gonna sew them all together, going down to the side and up and to this little top edge again, and then I'm gonna sew the other side of the bag. When you reach back to the top, we are now gonna have 4 layers to sew together. Be careful and precise about sewing the needle through all of those 4 layers. That's important. And we are done. And thank you for trying this with me. And I really hoped it helped and you have a great bag right now. I have 2 of these and I'm using it almost daily. Link for the pattern is gonna be in the description. Bye.